Hello everyone. We are back with another episode of Accredian's Data Bytes series. I'm your host Mosam, and in today's episode I will give you a scoop of all the important AI developments from the past week. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. Click on that notification bell so that you're notified every time we post a new update. From Nvidia's hotter than the sun AI chip to OpenAI's financial dynamics and much more, we have got a lot more covered in this video. Stay tuned and keep watching. Nvidia GH200 AI chip enhancing AI efficiency. Nvidia is the leading company providing high-end processors for generative AI applications. Nvidia has unveiled a new AI chip, the GH200, designed to enhance the efficiency of running large artificial intelligence models. This chip bears 141 gigabytes of advanced memory with the same GPU as Nvidia's top-end high-end chip. This addition targets the improvement of the inference phase of AI, where the model continuously makes prediction or generates content. This new AI chip will enhance larger AI models to run on a single system and is expected to considerably reduce the cost of this process. Nvidia CEO Jensen highlighted that the GH200 is built for expanding global data centers. It is said to be available next year, though the price has not been disclosed. The release comes as Nvidia faces growing competition from tech giants like Amazon, Google, AMD, all of which are working on their own AI-oriented chips for inference. OpenAI's financial challenges and the future of ChatGPT. OpenAI, known for its groundbreaking AI tech accessible to all, faces financial turbulence. Reports reveal the burden of maintaining ChatGPT costing at a staggering $700,000 daily, over $250 million on an annual basis. Relying on a $10 billion investment from Microsoft, sustaining operations poses challenges. Reduced user engagement, partly due to the API competition, adds to this strain. Generating revenue to meet goals becomes pivotal. Without additional funding or effective strategies, bankruptcy looms by 2024. This spells a significant loss of AI advancement and accessibility worldwide. Hopes are high that OpenAI finds its footing and continues its visionary quest for artificial intelligence. Google's AdaTape, adaptive AI approach for dynamic computation. Now let's explore Google's freshest AI innovation, AdaTape. This game changer boosts a dynamic transformer architecture for smarter computations. Built on a transformer architecture, AdaTape adjusts its effort based on task complexity. Think of it as having the right tool for your job, using fewer resources for easier tasks and ramping up for the tougher challenges. This tech marvel isn't limited to articles. AdaTape crafts neat summaries, aids email writing, and even helps compose poems, with AdaTape making tasks a breeze. Google's Project IDX, empowering developers with AI-integrated coding environment. More from the Google Labs. Meet Project IDX. This game-changing tool redefines software development, craft web and multi-purpose apps effortlessly, cloud-based for access anywhere. Import from GitHub or start fresh with popular languages. The star feature, Google's Project IDX. AI-powered coding assistance for error detection, styling suggestions, and much more. Project IDX seamlessly connects with Google Cloud Services, streamlining app deployment. Test phase is ongoing. Public access will be given soon. Secure your spot on the waitlist via the official website. Microsoft's 365 AI-powered tool for frontline workers. Microsoft 365 introduces AI-powered tools to empower frontline workers from retail to healthcare and delivery. These vital employees often face communication barriers and security concerns. Microsoft 365 steps in, enhancing their efficiency and security. Meet Copilot, a virtual assistant handling tasks like appointments, inventory checks, and customer queries. It also offers reminders and suggestions. Another game changer is the announcement feature, allowing managers to send crucial messages through Teams or Outlook, including images, videos, and audio. Messages can be translated and scheduled. Bing AI's 6 months anniversary milestone and innovative features. Bing AI marking its 6-month anniversary with fresh features and remarkable achievements. Launched as an experimental feature just a year ago, Bing AI showcases its power in natural language understanding and generation. Since its inception, it has evolved significantly. Now, users can engage in new adventures with Bing AI. Want a picture of an animal or a serene landscape? Simply ask, and the AI will craft an image that matches your description. Plus, it's got a memory. Past conversations are accessible, allowing users to revisit previous discussions. And for those who prefer a darker screen, Bing AI introduces a sleek dark mode. The journey has seen Bing AI hitting impressive milestones with over 10 million conversations across 100 plus countries. It fostered global interactions, over 100 million messages exchanged, and more than million images drawn showcase its dynamic engagement. An astounding 90% satisfaction rate speaks volumes, and 80% returning for more chats. These numbers tell us Bing AI's popularity and its commitment to delivering an enjoyable and practical chatting experience. Recycle GPT, China's innovative approach to enhance language model efficiency. China unveiled Recycle GPT, a game changer for language models. This innovation accelerates text creation, reusing prior work, a recyclable module, and recycling mechanism, streamlining processes, saving your time and effort. This advancement enhances text coherence and diversity, a clever way to optimize language models. It also showcases China's AI research growth, propelling more efficient tools. Alright folks, that was a wrap of this week's AI news. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click on that bell icon to stay updated on all our future uploads. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI. I will see you soon.